Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a trade review of EURJPY trade that I took last week. So on my previous forecast, I said I was waiting for price to break out of this uptrending channel. We got a breakout. Price failed to break above this resistance line and headed back into the channel. So I entered here for the sell, closed off at about 70 pips, but initially you could have taken it down to the previous low. I tweeted out when I closed the trade saying that there was more potential, but I was satisfied with my profit. Just a friendly reminder, if you like this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my links in the description below. Check out my broker of choice. You can join. That's entirely up to you. Join my free Telegram and check out my free trade resources on learning how to trade. So there's a couple things that you could have looked at with this trade. We had price in this larger downtrend. We had a breakout of the trend line. Price retest the previous resistance zone and came back to retest the downtrending trend line. So initially what I was looking for was a failed retest of the previous resistance zone. Once we got that, I knew that price would sell off to touch at least the downtrending trend line. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.